Session 5, Role of Assumptions in Economics. Objective. The main objective of studying this is to study the assumptions in economics. Program outcomes. After completion of these sessions, students will understanding this role of assumptions in economics. What are assumptions in economics? Assumptions are initial conditions made before a micro or macroeconomics analysis is built. Sometimes assumptions are used for simplifications. Assumptions can be used to isolate the effects of a change in one's variable on another. May assumptions are set aside for being unrestricted. What is the use of assumptions in their economics model? 1. Helps to simplify analysis. Second one, assumptions highlights the problems under investigations. Third, helps economics to use maths in quantifying effects. Economics theories are based on creations assumptions which are broadly classified in four categories. One category psychologically or behavioral assumptions, international assumptions, structural assumptions, ceteris paribus assumptions. 1. Psychologically or behaviorally assumption. These assumptions are but individually human behaviors. They refers to rational behaviors in individuals and consumer and producers as consumers, their individual families, individuals, and as produce there include businessmen, entrepreneurs, and firms, and a rationally consumer aims at the maximum of the satisfactions from a given money income and its expenditure on goods and services on this they had. The ratios producers aims at maximizing his profits. International assumptions. These assumptions are economics theory related to socially, politically, and economic institutions. All economics theories have been developed on these assumptions of a capitalist economy in which our means of productions and distributions are privately owned and used for personal gain. Structural assumptions. These assumptions related to the nature's physical structures on tropically of the economics and the states of technology. In the short run, economics theories are based on these assumptions of given resources technology. Criticize problems assumptions. Another important assumption made in economics is the criticize price and price or other things being equal assumptions. This is used a simple relatively in order to consider the impact of one factors at time. The other factors are held constant in their real world. There are maybe number of factors operating simplifiedly. If all these themes are included in the analysis, its world become complex. Reference Ahuja Krishnaya Gowda.